So this is just a quick video to show you how I mounted the dash cam here in a BMW i3. So I put the camera here behind the mirror at the bottom of the plastic housing which hides the rain sensor. So it's nicely central mounted. Previously it was up on the passenger side. There was another camera fitted in this car by the previous owner, but I found from the driver's side I couldn't see the screen or couldn't push the button if I wanted to save any footage. At least here all I've got to do is move the mirror out the way and I can see the camera. So running the cable was really simple. You can also say I've even left the magnet here as well, left it on the cable. You can take them off, but I wanted to leave it on. So I've just simply hooked the cable up underneath the plastic housing here hiding the sensor, and then up along the roof lining. You can just hook it in there with your fingers. The roof lining will just pull down 1 millimetre or so and you can just hook it in with your fingernails. Really simple. And then run it down in here again, just push it down with your fingers, very simple, and then run it down the rubber, and you just lift the rubber up with your fingers and just one finger in front, pulling the rubber up, sliding the cable down. It's all really simple. It took 10 minutes to fit. Run it down here. At this point you're up underneath the dash, and there is the fuse box under there, and you can shove all of the spare cable up underneath behind the glove box and then pop it out down here. I've just ran it around here to the cigarette lighter. I've got a couple of clips stuck there which the previous owner had put in, because again there was another 12-volt cable here, but that's all you really need, just a couple of clips here just to hook the cable up. Once you're up underneath this, then there's a big void where you can shove any excess cable. So it's very simple. In my case, the camera I've fitted is a Nextbase 222 model. Very simple little camera. I'm quite pleased with it. It records audio as well. It's also got a little battery in it, so when you're parked it will switch on if there's a nudge to the car and record a session. The only thing I would say is my BMW i3 has got 20-inch wheels, so it's quite a hard ride. So I've turned off the G sensor, otherwise it was saving too many clips while I was driving. Every time you hit a pothole it tended to mark the clip for saving. So if I want to save anything, I just hit the little button there and that saves it. There we are. I see I've just touched it and it's woken the camera back up. And obviously when mounting the camera you just want to make sure it's within the swipe of the wiper blades.